Hello class, this is Mr. Lehman. Today I want to talk to you about part of lesson 16. I just want to focus this tutorial on the mole. So the mole, we usually think the mole is an animal or maybe a pigmentation on our skin, on our bodies. But when it comes to chemistry, a mole is simply a number. So let's talk about what do you mean. Alright, so for instance, if I had a dozen of something, I would have 12 of it. If I had a baker's dozen, if I had a baker's dozen of something, I would have 13 of it. So if I had a mole of something, a mole of atoms or a mole of molecules, how many would I have? I would have 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd of it. What is this? How would we pronounce that? How big is that number? 602 with 21 zeros on the end of it. You would have this many of it. 602 hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, quadrillions, quintillions, sextillions. It's equal to 602 sextillion of an object. So where did this number come from? How's it important? Why is it important to us? This number is also called Avogadro's number, after the scientist who discovered this magic number. Avogadro's number allows us to convert the number needed to convert from AMUs, atomic mass units, into grams of a substance. So this allows us to convert from atomic mass unit to grams. What does that mean? Let's take a look at oxygen. Let's actually take a look at a solid here. Let's take a look at aluminum. If I had one atom of aluminum, what would it weigh? Take a look at the periodic table. My atomic mass is 26.98. So if I have one atom, it weighs 26.98. My units are atomic mass units. Super, super tiny units. So tiny that, in science class here, we have no way of measuring single atoms. However, we do have the means of measuring grams. And so if we don't want to use AMUs, which are tools, our instruments here, can't measure, we can measure grams. If we have 1 mole of something, if we have 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of aluminum, then our aluminum would weigh 26.98 grams. So 1 mole of a substance is equal to its atomic mass in grams. We call it the molar mass. So 1 mole weighs 26.98 grams for aluminum. Alright, and so when we talk about gases here, actually we'll do that in tutorial 2. So this is it for tutorial 1. If you want to continue and talk about gases, STP, and Avogadro's law, continue on to tutorial 2. Thank you and have a great day.